Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of IPM Careers. My name is Ashutosh Mishra and I am the Academic Head of IPM Careers. And today I am super excited that IPM Careers is announcing its premium crash course. So what exactly crash course mean? The word crash course comes from the word crash landing, in which a landing is conducted in unfavorable condition. But don't worry, here at the IPM Careers we have got your back. So IPM Careers is announcing one of its kind fully residential IPMAT 2023 crash course at its first Kanpur center under my supervision. So duration of this crash course will be 60 days, out of which in first 40 days we will be covering the entire syllabus. So in order to cover the entire syllabus in 40 days, we will be having 2 classes per day of 2 hours. IPM Careers is known for its finest faculties having a lot of experience. In this crash course, we will be having all our ace faculties who will be teaching, which includes Vikas Sir, Nitin Sir, Raghavan Sir, Tarna Ma'am,
Aradhya Vats Ma'am,
and of course me. Doubts are an integral part of your learning. You learn and grow while you have doubts. We will be providing one-on-one doubt clearing sessions to the students to learn and grow. We are having a dedicated pool of faculties to address the doubts of the students. Solving the mock test can be very critical to your final selection. IPM Careers is providing India's finest mock test series, that is has IPMAT to all our students, in which you will be getting more than 50 mock tests of IPMAT. You will be getting 350 plus topic wise tests, and along with that you will be getting a pool of more than 10,000 questions. IPM Careers provides a dedicated IPMAT Indore material to all our students. Along with that, you will also be getting the review notes, you will be getting the topic wise notes, you will also be getting the practice sheets and a lot of homework and assignments. We have a dedicated team of IIM alumni who prepare all these study material. All our study material are prepared by a dedicated IIM alumni team. All this study material is designed with accordance to the latest IPMAT examination pattern. So the most common question asked about the crash course is that, is crash course enough to crack the IPMAT examination? And to answer this question, I will say absolutely yes. IPMAT examination is not a test of a knowledge. However, it's a test of your logic based on the numbers and the language. So the proper mixture of your hard work and smart work can definitely help you to achieve your success in next 60 to 75 days. Yes, hostel facilities are available with IPM Careers Kanpur Center. We are having the tie-ups with several hostels across Kanpur. So at last, I would like to say, guys, if you are consistent and focused and ready to give your 100%, you are definitely going to get into the IIM Indore. All the best and see you in the classroom. Thank you.